In this example here, we're going to download budget period phased forecast, and we're going to create a new version with some new data. So first we'll download the forecast. You can see there we've got the forecast header, and across to the right here we've got the plan lines, the quantities and the raw costs depending on the type of task we're dealing with. We're going to just change these quantities. You can see how we can do all these periods at once. I'm just going to use standard Excel here to change the values here from 3 to 4.5. I'm going to go across to the right here. I'm going to clear out the raw costs as I want them to be calculated based on the quantity for these lines here. And I'm just going to change the raw costs for a bunch of the different tasks as well. As you can see, you can easily do a whole lot at once. I'm just using standard Excel. You can use formulas if you want to. In this example here, I'm just doing a mass copy and paste. I can change the version number here as well. So we're going to change from version 4 to 5. And you can see I'm using the user form. It does show me the old versions. So if I was doing an update, I could use those. But we're going to do a create in this example here. And we're going to update the description. Now I don't have to use the user form, so I could have done all of this in the spreadsheet as well. And I simply upload. And this is going to create this new budget version. So in 18 rows, we're actually loading 216 different elements. If you're using any other spreadsheet option, there would be 216 lines in order to do this, without the nice period-based feature to give you that whole year or multi-year columns.